Hello, my friend. Do you want to speak English, but you are alone? That is okay. You can still learn. You can speak English at home, even if you are the only one there. It might feel strange at first, but it works. Many people start this way. Let me tell you about Mark. He lives in a small town. There are no English schools there. He does not have English-speaking friends. So what did he do? He made a decision. One morning he stood in front of the mirror and said, "Hello, my name is Mark. I like tea." It was short, it was funny, but it was the beginning. The next day he said more. "I live in a small house. I wake up at 7. I make breakfast." These were simple sentences, but every sentence gave him more power. He felt shy, but he did not stop. He looked at himself in the mirror and smiled. You can do the same. You can use your own words. Just say what you do. What do you eat? Where do you live? What do you like? These questions help you think in English. You don't need hard words. You only need clear and easy words. There are many things in your day that you can speak about. When you wake up, say, "I feel tired." When you eat, say, "I eat rice and eggs." When you watch TV, say, "I watch a movie." Let's try more. What can you see in your room? Is there a window? Say, "There is a window." The sun is bright. The wall is white. My chair is blue. Mark also started asking himself questions. He said, "What do I want to do today? Should I go outside? When will I eat lunch? How many books do I have?" He asked, then answered. This made his English stronger. Sometimes Mark made mistakes. He said the wrong word. He used the wrong tense, but that was okay. He did not stop. He did not feel bad. He said, "I will try again." And every day he got better. Do you want to know a secret? Mark felt proud when he spoke one full sentence. It was not perfect, but it was his. His own English. That is something to smile about. You can start like Mark. You can start now. Say one sentence. Maybe I want to learn English. That's a good start. Tomorrow say 2 sentences, then more. Step by step, your words will grow. Speaking English alone is like planting a seed. You can't see the flower today, but if you water it every day, it will grow. Your words are seeds. Your voice is the water. Use it. So let's begin. Speak one small sentence. Look at the mirror. Look at your face. Say, "I can do this," because you can and you will. You do not need a classroom. You do not need a partner. You only need your voice. Look around your room. There are many things to talk about. Say them out loud. This is my bed. The window is open. It is raining. Mark did this too. In the morning, he would say, "I open the door. I turn on the light. I brush my teeth." These are normal things, but speaking them in English helps a lot. It trains your brain to think in English. What about cooking? Mark cooked lunch and talked at the same time. He said, "I cut the onion. I boil water. I add salt." He used simple verbs. You can do this too. When you cook, talk about every step. Let's try a game. It's called Say What You See. Look around and name 5 things. Say them in English. Then make one sentence for each. For example, book. The book is on the table. Phone. My phone is black. When you go outside, there are new words to learn. You can say, "There is a dog." The bus is coming. People walk fast. You can speak quietly. You can think the sentences in your head. Sometimes Mark asked questions. Where is my bag? What time is it? Should I take an umbrella? He answered them in English too. This helped him practice both questions and answers. Another fun way to practice is pretend phone calls. Mark would hold his phone and say, "Hello, how are you?" "I went to the market. Let's meet soon." It felt silly, but it worked. His speaking got better. You can also try describing photos. Take any picture and talk about it. Say, "A woman is smiling. She has a red hat. The sky is blue." Use easy words. Say what you see. What if you are tired? Don't worry, just do one small thing. Say 5 words. Ask one question. Watch one short video. Do what you can. Every little thing helps. Remember, your home can be your English world. Your table is your desk. Your mirror is your teacher. Your voice is your power. You are not alone. You are learning. Make English part of your day. Morning, afternoon, or night, there is always time to speak. Start small, grow big. Now you know how to start, but how do you keep going? The answer is simple. Build a small habit. Speak every day, even if it is just for 1 minute. Make a plan that works for you. Ask yourself, what time can I speak? Maybe morning is good, maybe evening is better. Choose one time and stay with it. Let's talk about Emma. She is 28 years old. She works at a shop. She is busy, but she wants to speak English, so she made a habit. Every night after dinner, she speaks for 5 minutes. Some days she talks about her job. Other days she talks about her dreams. She said, "I will try this for 30 days. After 1 week, she felt more confident. After 1 month, she spoke faster and made fewer mistakes. You can do the same. Make a small goal. It can be simple. I will say 3 sentences about my day. I will talk about my lunch. I will read 1 paragraph aloud." And when you reach your goal, smile. You did it. You can also use your phone, record your voice. Say, "Today I woke up at 7. I ate bread and eggs. I felt happy because the sun was shining." Then play it back. Listen. What did you say well? What should you change next time? Sometimes you may not feel strong. You might think, "I can't do this." But you can. You did many hard things before. Learning English is one more step. Ask yourself, what did I do yesterday? Can I do more today? If the answer is yes, go. If the answer is no, do a little. Even 1 word is better than 0. Another idea is to make a habit tracker. Use paper or an app. Make a list Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and write down what you did. Spoke for 2 minutes. Said 5 new words. Asked 1 question in English. Look at your list at the end of the week. You will feel proud. Also, use rewards. Give yourself something nice when you try. Maybe a cookie, maybe music, maybe just a smile. Rewards make habits fun. Do you have a friend who also wants to learn English? Ask them to join your habit. You can text them. I did my English today. You can send short voice messages to each other. Hi, I made a cake today. Hello, I watched a movie last night. This gives you real practice and helps you stay strong. Remember, You do not need to be perfect. You need to keep going. Practice is more important than perfect grammar. Every day your words grow, your voice grows, your confidence grows. Let's say it again. I can do this. I will speak English. I start today. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep speaking English every day. Your home is now your classroom. Let your voice be heard. Let's grow together.